Kelly explained her method for graphing the linear relation y equals negative 2/3 x plus 7 as follows. So there's a sequence of 4 steps here. The question is, where did Kelly make the first mistake in her explanation? Step 1, 2, 3, there is no mistake. So let's look step by step. So we have a line equation here, and we have step 1, place a dot on the y-axis at positive 7. Now if I were to sketch this, we have a nice graph that looks like this, and this here is my 0 point, and this here is, we'll just say this is 7 over here, and they want to place a dot on the y-axis at positive 7. So if this is y, we have a dot here. And now we know that this here is the y-intercept. Y equals mx plus b. This here is the y-intercept. So this is actually correct. Step 2, move up 2 on the y-axis to positive 9. Now we know this here is the slope. The slope is negative 2/3. So the idea of moving up 2 on the y-axis, this is fine because we have rise over run. We could think of this as a positive 2 rise. That's moving up, because here the slope equals negative 2/3, which can also be written as 2 over negative 3. When we have a slope that's negative, the negative sign can be at the denominator, the numerator, or it can even be in front of the fraction here. It doesn't really matter. So the rise here is positive 2, so we're going to move up 2 on the y-axis to positive 9. So this is 8, 9. So we're going to move up here 1, 2, check. From the positive 9, move to the left 3 spots and place a dot there. So because we're treating the negative sign here, we're actually writing it in the denominator. It's okay to move up 2 in terms of the rise, and slope is rise over run, and the run here would be negative 3. Negative 3 would be going to the left. So 1, 2, 3. So jumping 1, jumping 2, jumping 3. So this here, this dot, if I join this dot with this one here, it would actually form a negative slope, which it looks correct because we're going downhill from left to right. So this step 3 is correct. Step 4, draw a line through the 2 dots, and that's what we just did. So all the steps are correct. There is no mistake. Now for questions like this, when we have a slope, keep in mind that we can either go, for this example, we can go up and then to the left, or we can still have the same slope by going right and down. There's more than one way to sketch a graph.